Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or Google Chrome on Cat S53. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store first. Let's try to download something from this app, and here let's go for Duolingo. And if we click on install, it changes into the pending mode, and it's stuck like this forever. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. If you try to refresh already opened site or try to reach new one, there's a clock error. And to fix both of the issues, we'll need to open a settings, then find a system. It should be at the bottom. Go for date and time and enable use network provided time. You can go back to your browser and try to reach your website. It works fine now, and the same is with Google Play Store, so we can install any app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.